pioneering research by Northrop Aircraft and the United States Air Force.
From the Cold War to the 21st century, stealth has been the defining edge of American air power. The B-2 Spirit, unveiled in the late 1980s, was once the world's most advanced bomber. But today, a new aircraft is taking its place. Sleeker, smarter, and built for the wars of tomorrow, the B-21 Raider. In this video, we'll explore why the Raider isn't just a replacement, but a revolution. Design evolution, flying wing refinement. The B-2 introduced the world to the flying wing stealth bomber, but its design was a product of Cold War limitations. Massive, wide, and expensive to maintain. The B-21, on the other hand, is a refined evolution. Slightly smaller, with tighter edges, smoother curves, and advanced radar-absorbent materials. Every panel, every seam, every angle has been optimized using AI simulations and computer-aided design. This isn't just an upgrade, it's stealth perfected. Stealth technology comparison. The Spirit was groundbreaking, but even it has limits. Radar cross-section reduction relied on 1980s composites and coatings that required hours of delicate maintenance. The B-21 employs a new generation of radar-absorbent materials, cheaper, more durable, and easier to apply. Its infrared signature has also been minimized, making it harder for heat-seeking missiles to track. And perhaps most importantly, the Raider has been designed from day one to counter next-gen Russian and Chinese radar systems. In stealth, the B-2 was the pioneer. The B-21 is the master. Size, range and payload differences. The B-2 was huge, with a wingspan wider than a Boeing 747. The B-21 is leaner, designed for both efficiency and scalability. Despite being smaller, it maintains intercontinental strike range. Its modular bomb bays can carry both nuclear and conventional payloads, with the flexibility to adapt as weapons technology evolves. Hypersonic missiles, electronic warfare pods, precision bombs, the B-21 can carry them all. Where the Spirit was specialized, the Raider is multi-role. Sensor and cockpit advances. The Spirit's cockpit is a relic of the late Cold War analog screens, bulky controls, and limited sensor fusion. The B-21, however, has a cockpit designed like a fighter jet, fully digital, with glass panels, AI-assisted decision systems, and real-time data links. Its network connectivity allows it to integrate with satellites, drones, and even fighter escorts. In essence, the Raider isn't just a bomber. It's a flying command node. Production, cost and fleet scale. The B-2 Spirit was a technological marvel, but at over $2 billion per unit, only 21 were ever built. The B-21 was designed with affordability in mind, projected at $700 million each. Northrop Grumman used digital twins and advanced manufacturing to cut costs, making mass production possible. The U.S. Air Force plans to buy at least 100, potentially more. The difference is simple: the B-2 was a rare jewel. The B-21 will be a fleet. Operational strategy and future role. In the 21st century, air dominance isn't about prestige, it's about numbers and survivability. The B-21 Raider is designed to penetrate defended airspace, strike deep, and return undetected. It can operate alongside fighters, drones, and even conduct standoff missions. In future conflicts, B-21s won't fly alone, they'll lead. Why the Raider will rule. The B-2 Spirit changed the game. The B-21 Raider will dominate it. With its unmatched stealth, advanced sensors, and affordable scale, it represents not just the future of American air power but the future of warfare itself. When history looks back, the Spirit will be remembered as the pioneer. But the Raider will be remembered as the ruler. If you enjoyed this deep dive into the Spirit and Raider, hit like, drop a comment telling us which jet we should cover next, and subscribe for more stealth, speed, and air power stories from Jetkin.